The reverse double slit. In a realm of rumors, where and once dark matter is light, lay a new collaboration of our stars, our planets, and our sun. Within this realm, the double slits are portals, where all shines through. In this realm are reverse. The portals are replaced by mass. That which had surrounded the portals, which was mass, is now replaced by portals. Would be as if it were the planets floating along in space. Zoom in, they would be too far apart to measure. Zoom out, and one can measure how the dark matter also behaves. On this ever clock-like universal reverse infinity slit experiment. And then, the stupid question would be, why not a smart answer? A question asked, a question answered, an answer questioned, an asked question, an answer to find. Is there then, and then, an aquark question? When was the first question? All along, the answer was here. Something was here. To ask a question to. On a day, one may find many occurrent things, especially if one does nothing. It is then in that nothingness one peers outward and sees all that exists around the nothingness. As if looking outside of one's own bent sight, to see all that is, not the one, but to understand that the one truly is, even a part of all, or one's all. That could simply mean that what one sees can have an effect on one, and true in return of interaction. No other theory exists in nothingness. It exists outside of the nothingness, so sort of acts like a womb to the nothingness. But then, that would mean something is nothing, and the nothingness would, upon realization of being something, become something. Every thought has history. All is in between. Really know a history. To the what was never. History is a melody. Listen. Ein structure constant is fantastical. It is dimensionless. Does this then mean that the FSC does exist, but is not singularly assigned to any one dimension? How about it is not assigned to all dimensions? Where then does this dimensionless thing exist? If it does not exist here, however, the echoes of its existence do. Does that simply mean only past versions of it exist in a dimension state? The information only able to transcend through a halcyon of between what is considered dimensional to dimensionless. Since only the echoes of this thing, which does exist, just not here exists, can one theory that if there is one occurrence of this, and if one could theory that more than one dimension of this occurrence exists, there may be a theory of infinite occurrences, giving this thing no one true home. Simply an existence rarer than what one may find daily within this dimension. Could one then wonder